Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Now we're going to change the lights in our kitchen area. So she will do it. Right?
We're gonna change lights, yeah. I found some lights that gives like 6K in an 18 watt bulb. So the feeling in here, you know, it's a lot different to have a good light situation. We're gonna start doing maybe some food blogs and some other things, and I'm trying to get some lights inside the house, and we're gonna try to update our light. Pretty cool little bulbs. They give you, I think they said 6K, right? It's 6,500K. So it's a good light. Let's see the difference.
Careful.
Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna take this one down. Maybe dark. Oops, I need to take this off.
Yeah, you forgot to take it off.
Yeah. Cover on the back end. Oh,
Whoa!
look at
That one is so bright.
Look at that.
Oh, nice.
What a difference.
Yeah, it's different.
So yeah, we put up through the entire house, over here also, and
Yeah, this is our house, our apartment. Ooh, it's really
down
nice.
here, same thing.
Yeah,
That way we have enough solid light.
yeah.
Sorry for the noise, guys. The neighbor is building something. They've been hammering for 2 days. But this is our house. We've done a couple of vlogs. This is actually a fairly nice little house. It's an apartment. It's 3 similar apartments in this building, and the rent here is about $10,000. Oh yeah.
10,000 pesos?
Pesos a month, which comes to $195 a month or so.
Yeah.
So it's a good apartment, and it has plenty of storage. We have the storage back underneath the stairs,
Yeah.
and we have kind of filled up all the storage space we can have.
Yeah.
And there is some more storage space underneath there. We got too much stuff. I told my wife we need to start getting rid of it if we're going to move to Samar here eventually, because we're not taking anything with us.
Yeah.
We're better off just
To
sell
buy
off.
new
Yeah, because
furniture.
by the time you put this on a truck down to Samar, we had some friends that did that. It's like almost 40,000 pesos, I think it was, right?
Yeah.
35.
They hired a truck.
And
Yeah.
it was like almost 40,000 pesos, I think.
Yeah.
So by the time you do that, it's better to sell this off, and then when you get there, you buy a new bed, you buy a new couch, you buy new tables, and that'll be cheaper, and then you get fresh stuff in your home again.
Yeah, you're right.
So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna go down there. We are gonna try to go down there in
Maybe next year. Next year.
well, we want to go, possibly, if we can, we should go in November. I know they have the fiesta next year in March, right?
No, April.
April. 23 to 25?
Yeah.
Okay. But I want to go down there before, and what we're going to do is take our motorcycle and ride down there and take you guys with us. It's going to take us probably a couple of 3 days. It's about 980 kilometers from here, but it'd be a fun ride, and we can share the ride. We drive through a lot of nice small little towns, have to go through Manila, which I'm not too crazy about, but we're gonna do it. So that will happen hopefully in November. We're gonna plan to try to do that.
Yeah.
So that's it here, guys. Well, we can show the house actually. We have upstairs, we have 2 bedrooms. So let's go up and just show them.
Our bedroom is busy.
Is it messy? All right, let's go to the mess. All right, I think we need to even here I put a 6K, so we have sufficient light when we are doing it. Oh yeah, it's messy. We need to clean up. She doesn't like that, guys. But we have been. I've been sick for a couple of days. We just hang out at home, and I edited a couple of videos yesterday, and so we're just taking it easy. So this is our setup. We got 2 computers in here, one for her and one for me.
Yeah, that's computer over there. That's for Shell, and this area is mine.
Right. So which area is messiest, yours or mine?
Both.
Yeah, they're pretty messy. But if you look at the bedroom, we got a queen size in here.
Yeah, sorry guys, it's messy. I don't want to show it. Maybe later when we.
Yeah, but we got it. And I like this apartment because it is spacious rooms. A lot of Filipino apartments, they don't have the space in the rooms. You can barely get a bed in there. If you're lucky, you can get an office desk. But here, there's plenty of room to move around. So we have that. And the second bedroom is over here.
That's our cabinet. Big cabinet.
Big cabinets, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so here's the outer bedroom. And you can see the size of the bedroom. It's pretty big.
Yeah.
And we have somebody living here right now with us. A friend of mine is over here for a little bit, so he's hanging out. You have seen him in a couple of videos.
Yeah.
So he be staying here for a little while before he goes back home. All right, guys. One thing I like about this apartment is actually the security, and I'm going to turn around here and let you see. Like I said, the apartment is 3 apartments in this building. The gates are all the way up to the concrete wall, so there's no opening in between. And here's a little view of the neighborhood. The other thing I like about it is that the carport / garage actually is big enough to bring in a full-size car. So that's pretty good. But we don't have a car. We use Betsy, like you see her here, and that has been our means of transportation for a long time. All right, guys, that was just a quick little tour around the house. God bless, and we see you at the next video.